Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change phone number in TikTok from iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open TikTok app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the top right, tap on the horizontal lines. Now tap on Settings and Privacy option. Once you are on this page, select Account. Under Account, tap on User Information. Now tap on Phone Number. Choose the Change Number option at the top of the pop-up. Then, add the new number. A verification code will be sent to your added new number. Verify the phone using the OTP code. Enter the new number and verify it again. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.